Samsung is all set to shake up the foldable smartphone market once again. Reports suggest that the premium Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 will launch next month in July, sparking excitement among tech enthusiasts. With powerful performance, cutting-edge design, and game-changing features, this flagship is poised to set a new benchmark in the foldable category. Geekbench listing reveals processor details. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 has surfaced on the benchmarking platform Geekbench, offering a sneak peek into its core specifications. Listed under the model number SM F966N Korean variant, it follows the leak of SM F966U US version earlier in April. At the heart of this device is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite chipset, also seen in the Galaxy S25 series. This overclocked processor is designed for extreme performance, featuring 8-core CPU configuration, 6 cores running at 3.53 GHz, 2 high-power cores reaching 4.47 GHz. Whether it's high-end gaming, multitasking, or professional applications, this powerhouse promises seamless performance. Software and RAM variants. Running on the latest Android 17, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 brings next-gen security, AI-driven features, and an enhanced user interface. The Geekbench listing confirms 12 GB RAM, though an upgraded 16 GB RAM variant might be introduced upon launch. Storage options are expected to start at 256 GB, offering ample space for heavy apps, 4K videos, and large files. Geekbench scores flagship-level performance. The benchmark results indicate that Samsung is going all in on performance. Single-core score, 2,667. Multi-core score, 8,665. These numbers put the Galaxy Z Fold 7 among the top-tier foldable smartphones. Revolutionary design, world's thinnest foldable? Samsung seems determined to redefine foldable phone aesthetics. Sources suggest that the Galaxy Z Fold 7 will be the world's thinnest foldable. Unfolded thickness, 3.9 mm. Folded thickness, 8.9 mm. Its sleek and lightweight build promises premium portability, making it effortless to carry and stylish to hold. Powerful battery and fast charging. Fueling the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is a 4,400 mAh battery, ensuring long-lasting usage for multitasking, video streaming, extended calling sessions. Additionally, super-fast charging support is expected, ensuring rapid power-ups in minutes. Launch date and expected price. While Samsung hasn't officially confirmed the launch date, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is expected to arrive in July. Pricing for the 12 GB RAM plus 256 GB storage variant may be around Indian rupee 164,999 in the Indian market. Given its cutting-edge specifications, the price seems justified for a premium flagship experience. Final thoughts: a foldable game-changer. With a revolutionary design, unmatched performance, and next-gen features, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is shaping up to be a true industry disruptor. Its launch might reshape the foldable smartphone race, leaving users eager to experience Samsung's next innovation.